Nothing interesting tonight. Maybe I should watch a movie. Okay, I get it. Oh no, I am so hungry. Pizza? Pizza sounds nice. No, I had pizza yesterday. Pasta? No. Sushi? Too expensive. Oh, burger. Yes, that looks perfect. Burger combo. Burger, fries, and a drink. Yes. I want that. I want a burger combo. Done. Burger. I can't wait. Okay. Now we wait. Please come fast. Okay, how long will it take? Maybe the delivery is already here. Oh, just the rain. Still preparing? This is taking forever. I hope the driver is not lost. Great! Finally. I can't wait. Oh! My food is here!
Hello, food delivery.
Yes,
Enjoy your meal.
thank you. Have a good night. Burger time. Finally, my burger. Smells good. Burger. Fries. Nice. And a drink. Perfect. Huh? What is this? What? Wait a second. This is not my order. This ring must be very expensive. Oh boy. This is bad. Wait.
Wait. Where is the ring? Oh no.
Oh no. If I keep this ring, the proposal will be ruined. Okay, I need to call the restaurant. Hello, Burger House. Hello? I think I got the wrong order. Oh, really? Yes, the order says Daniel, and there is a diamond ring in the bag. Let me check the order. Oh, a man came earlier today. He wants to propose to his girlfriend. No, I see the problem. We mixed the orders. The ring should be with Daniel.
Hello, I ordered food earlier. There was a ring in the bag. I think I lost it.
Please don't worry. We are checking the orders now.
That ring is very important. I want to propose tonight.
He is going to propose tonight. I have to fix this.
Where is it? I had the ring. Oh no, this is bad.
Excuse me? I have a ring. It was in my food order. Oh. That is Daniel. Excuse me. Are you Daniel?
Yes.
I think this is yours.
My ring. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I want to propose tonight. I planned everything. I don't want to ruin it. This ring is very important.
That's really special. I hope it goes perfectly. Then you should hurry.
I love you. You make me so happy. Will you marry me?
Yes, of course, yes. That was the right order after all. This is your correct order. Great, thank you. Oh, but I am still hungry.